So today we're going to talk about a phrase that we use when we're excited or even when we're disappointed. A subscriber left a comment on one of the videos asking that I give some examples how to use this. So the phrase is "oh boy." And it's kind of like "oh man." I think maybe it's more common for you to hear "oh man" or "oh man, oh man, this is great. Oh man. Oh man, the train is late. Oh man." So, "oh boy" is very similar. It's maybe a little more lighthearted, or it sounds a little more silly, I guess. So it's maybe a little more playful than "oh man" or "oh man." For example, they're giving away free ice cream at work. Oh boy, I can't wait. Or in a negative sense. For example, the boss has said that he's going to take disciplinary action against anybody who he catches using their personal phone at work. Oh boy, he's at it again. That would be a negative example, right? And then just a simple phrase, "oh boy, am I tired. Oh boy, what a long day at work. Oh boy, I'm tired." But you can also have it, though, in a positive way. For example, "oh boy, I can't wait to go to Disneyland this next year. Oh boy, I'm so excited." Sometimes you could even hear somebody say sarcastically, for example, "hey, it's going to rain tomorrow. Oh boy, I can't wait for another day of rain." So on this one, it's a lot with your intonation. Your intonation really matters, the way you say it, but it's a fun phrase to throw in there, and it does kind of make you sound a little more natural, a little more savvy with the language. The best way is I'll put a link to some Twitter examples of people saying "oh boy" in the description, so definitely check on that. And you could probably, if I can find some videos of people using the expression and the phrase naturally, I'll also put some links to that in the description. The best way with those sort of expressions and phrases is really to listen to people using them. There's usually a lot of emphasis used. That's one tip I could give you. It's important to kind of emphasize it, whether you're excited or not excited. Like, "oh boy, this is great," or "oh boy, another long day." There's definitely intonation in both of those examples, and it's very important, your intonation with using that phrase and expression. "My neighbors won't turn down their music. Oh boy, they're really starting to get on my nerves. Oh boy, am I really getting tired of my kids lying to me about where they were after school. Oh boy, I'm going to have a talk with them. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy." You don't always have to say "oh boy" either. You can say, for example, "boy, I sure hope my new neighbors don't keep throwing their cigarettes in front of my door. That's going to get annoying real fast." Notice I didn't say "oh boy" there, I just said "boy." So you can also just say "boy." I could probably say "man" too in that example. "Man, I really hope my neighbors don't keep throwing their cigarettes in front of my door. That's going to get old real fast."